Hello everyone, we will learn how to use go to blanks in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see in this last column have some blank cell. So let's see how to use go to blanks options. Okay. First select the full data. To select the full data, simply select the one cell and use the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data here. After that, press the Ctrl G to open Go To dialog box. You can see the Go To dialog box is open. Then click on the Specials option and here in Go To Specials, just click on the blanks. When you click on the blanks and click on OK, the all blank cell in this data will select it. Just click on OK and wait for the few seconds and that's it. You can see all blank cell is selected. Okay. So here, if you want to write something in this blank cell, you just simply write, suppose I want to write here East on this all blank cells, okay? After to write the East, don't press enter, press Control plus enter key. Control plus enter key and that's it. You can see all selected blank cell is filled with the same word, okay? So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.